Thank you very much for your attendance here. We'll start in few minutes, guys. So meanwhile, just I want to check with you, anybody joined with laptop, guys? Anybody has joined with laptop here? So guys, why? Because today I need just one volunteer. Okay, so I want to show you the prerequisite for our class. Okay, so prerequisite like the setup. So after that, I will come to maybe I will give overview first of all. What is our class? What is DevOps and all? So then after I will come to you. Whoever has maybe I think Sweta. So Sweta has pinged me already, right? Sweta, can you please respond in speaker? So you logged in from laptop, right? Hello, Sweta.
No, sir. Actually, I'm logged in from mobile.
Oh, okay. So anybody joined from laptop, guys? Can someone please respond? Maybe not now, at least by the end of this class, because I will show you the prerequisite. If someone please, if anybody joined from laptop, please, it will be good, well and good. Anybody joined from laptop, guys? Can someone please respond? Always speak out, guys. Don't mute yourself. If at all something you want to say, like speak out. I'm asking, right? If at all, so because speak out, don't chat. Sanjukta, Ravi, Damodar, Abhishek, Devi Prasan. Can someone please respond to me, please? Via over the speaker.
Hi, sir.
Yes, hi.
Yeah, this is Vikas. So I can do something.
Yes,
yeah,
Vikas.
I have a laptop. I can accommodate.
Laptop or mobile?
Yeah, I'm using a laptop.
Oh, that's great. So, do you have AWS account? Any chance?
Yeah, I have a AWS account.
Okay, that's fine. So
actually,
yeah,
I purchased some pre-recorded videos from Durga shop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. No problem. So, guys, first we'll start with the introduction. Okay, so basically, maybe you go with your introduction. So after that, I will introduce myself. Let's go ahead, guys. Abhishek, can you please introduce to our class just your name, your background, if you have any idea about DevOps already? Yeah. Abhishek, are you there? Abhishek Shukla. Okay, Abhishek Kumbar, you want to talk?
Yes, sir. My name is
Yes.
Abhishek, and I completed my BTech in electronics engineering, and currently I was not working. I am as a fresher, and to know DevOps technologies, I am joining this session.
Okay, great. Yeah, next, Damodar. Hi, Damodar.
Yes, hello sir. Yeah, this is Damodar Sarkunla. I have done my mechanical engineering. So now I work for Wipro. Actually, it's a non-technical. So I just want to switch to technical. So learning this course, trying to learn this course.
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
Damodar. Thank you.
Yeah, next, Devi Prasam Singh.
Yes, hello sir. I am Devi Prasan, and I have completed my highest qualification in electrical electronics engineering, and currently I am working as a software engineer. So I am having 3.2 years of experience. So I want to switch my career into DevOps as a DevOps engineer. So I joined here to learn something.
Okay, definitely. Yes. Next, Sanjukta. Okay. So next, Vikas. Hi, Vikas.
Hi, sir. Yeah, this is Vikas.
Yes.
I completed my BTech in electronics and communication. So I worked for 4 years in non-IT background. So I was trained on data science, and I'm also training for looking for DevOps. It is very important in machine learning during the during deployment. So that's why I'm learning the DevOps. Yeah.
Oh, great. Definitely. Yeah. Next, Deepak. Hi, Deepak. Okay, that's fine. Then let me start my agenda, guys. So let me introduce myself first. So yeah, as you know myself, Amarender. You can call me as Amar. So I have overall 11 years of experience, guys, into IT industry. Initially, I was a Linux administrator. Okay, so then for career growth, I started learning DevOps. Now I'm a full-fledged DevOps engineer since 5 years. Okay, so I worked for multiple multiple projects where like I implemented DevOps techniques, guys. Okay, so this is about my background. And when it comes to training experience, so since almost like before, as I told before DevOps also, I was a Linux administrator. That time itself, I used to train on top of like Linux. Okay. Again, once I started DevOps also, I again started giving trainings, lectures on DevOps. Okay. Overall, this is about my background, guys. So in today's class, I will explain you what is DevOps first of all, and thereafter I will show the prerequisites. Okay, for maybe what exactly you need to continue with our class, or maybe to continue with the DevOps classes. Okay, yeah, and before that, guys, I want to hear from you. What do you know about DevOps? Why we are here? Maybe anybody knows it, guys, already. What is DevOps? Why do we need a DevOps in our day-to-day life? Maybe in your real-time project. Anybody? Anybody want to talk about that? Guys?
Yes, Amar, I want to talk. Actually, DevOps is like it is a combination of two functions like development as well as operations. So in an organization, once the software is developed, it is generally like delivered to the client itself, and in the operation part, we generally use that DevOps concept to deliver that software to the client side, and all those for that there is a like whole system and framework is there, and that is all about and that concept is all about DevOps.
Okay, that's great. Yes, you are right. So basically, DevOps has so many definitions, guys. Okay, so I will give you a simplest way. What is DevOps? Why do we need DevOps? And before that, I will start with the basic project, guys. Maybe what is project first of all? What is real time? Like why do we need real time? Maybe example that your friends, your colleagues, maybe your neighbors, your brothers, maybe they are working in IBM, Cognizant, TCS, say MNCs or IT companies. So what exactly they do in IT company? Okay, what exactly they do in IT company? So very simple, guys. I will take one sample example. Okay, then I will exam. I hope you are able to see my screen. Are you able to see my screen, guys? Hello, guys. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, so I will explain with sample example, guys. Let's take ICICI Bank.com. So I'm a customer of ICICI Bank.com. So when I click on ICICI Bank now, what is happening in my laptop? So actually, from where this web page is, maybe web page I'm getting, guys. Is it there in my laptop? This web page? No. Basically, over the internet I'm getting. So somewhere in a ICICI data center, basically ICICI, that bank, okay, so maintaining one building, there one server is nothing but operating system with application. Okay, somewhere in secure location, okay guys, they are maintaining the server. Server is nothing but operating system with application, guys. Okay, basically to install operating system, what do you need? You need a data center. Okay, so data center is nothing but building. Inside building, they will have the hardware. In that hardware, operating system with application they are running. So when example, this is my laptop. So when I like open that ICICI.com, what is happening? So over the internet, okay, it will connect to the data center. There, this server. So from this server, I'm getting the web page. Okay, now. So this is what happening. Okay, basically, this is called as data center, and this is called as server. Okay, that's fine. Here, guys, this server is called as production server. Production server. Okay, and one more thing, if you see here in ICICIbank.com, I have so many functionalities. See, when I click on account, like I am able to see so many functionalities. Again, cards, loans, invest, insure, pay, offers. Again, here also see, India website is different. Bahrain different. When I click on India, what's happening? It is connecting to Indian web. Basically, guys, these applications, internally, these functionalities, they may not run in single server, single operating system. So internally, they may have different set of servers, guys. So different application they may need internally. Outcome is ICICIbank.com, but internally they may need again. So like there will be different applications, guys. Hundreds of applications are there internally. So they will install all these applications separately, not in one server, one operating system. In our personal life, if you take laptop, we are installing all required application in single laptop, because like I don't want to take multiple laptops for every application. But in real time, every application will be there in separate server, separate operating system. See, for single website itself, they may need like minimum 50-60 servers for single website. Again, ICICI may have different websites. Then how many servers they need? Thousands of servers. Thousands of servers they may need. So basically, the customer where like is directly interacting. These servers are called as production servers, guys. So apart from production servers, production data center. Okay, so data center is nothing but building. Inside building, you have the hardware. Here only you have the operating systems with applications. In real time, guys, we do have at least 3 types of maybe data centers, guys. 3 separate data centers. So we used to call them as development data center, testing data center, production data center, guys. Compulsory, any project, doesn't matter. WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter.com, ICICI.com, any data, any project, any company, any website, minimum they may maintain 3 data centers. Development data center, testing data center, product. Same setup will be there, guys. 3 buildings, you can say. 3 buildings with the operating system with the applications. Same setup. Development purpose, 1 data center. Testing purpose, 1 more data center. Production purpose, 1 more data center. Minimum, guys. It doesn't matter. WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, any project. So why do they need 3 data centers for the same setup, for same operating system, same applications? So let's take WhatsApp, guys. If you take WhatsApp, initially WhatsApp, we don't have all the functionalities, only chatting is there. There is an order, guys. Any product, if any functionality they want to develop, there is an order. It's not like directly in this data center, in this production data center, they will implement the setup. Because first they have to develop, right? They have to develop it. But after developing, they have to test it, how it is working, any security issues and all. Then only they will install in production server. They will implement in production data center. So that is the reason, guys. The minimum 3 data centers will be there for any project. Development means always here only developments will happen. Even, guys, we don't go to data centers. Employees also. Employees, for example, I'm working for IBM. So IBM, this WhatsApp is IBM client. Assume that. So we will sit here only with our laptops, guys. We will sit here only with our laptops. Maybe you may have different teams: application team, database team, application developer, system admin. Everybody will sit in our office only, guys. We don't go to data center. Data center will be in somewhere secure location. Even employees also doesn't have access. Employees also will be sitting here only, IT employees. From our laptops, we will connect to this data center. Again, internally, there will be some tools to connect to these servers. And here we'll manage, developer will develop the stuff. Example, audio call, maybe chatting already there. For chatting purpose, some servers running everywhere. So assume that audio calling functionality. First, we'll develop here only that audio calling functionality. Maybe what applications we need, what servers we need, what services we need. It's not like direct on the fly. We are not getting that audio calling functionality, guys. First, we have to develop different internally different applications we use for that functionality. First, we'll implement. How can I know that which application I have to use? Slowly. So your application team, database team, developer, everybody will sit together. Okay, so we'll understand. We'll again we'll set up here development. It may take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Then after, if everything developed, then only we'll implement. We'll go with testing and we'll set up the same server, same setup here again for that audio calling functionality. So here security test, for performance test, everything checks. Quality. Then after, if everything goes well, then we'll implement in the same production server. Now finally, management will ask us to create a small client application. That application only we are providing it to the Play Store or App Store. And finally, customer will be notified. Customer will update his application, WhatsApp application. Now onwards, he will get that audio calling functionality also. Same again, video calling. First, we'll go with development environment. If it is working, then testing will test the things. Then after production, it's an order, guys. Any project compulsory will follow this order. This order is called as SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle. Basically, it's a routine cycle, guys. SDLC is a methodology. It's a stages. Any project, any application, any functionality, it's going through these stages, guys. Compulsory. Then only the product will be quality product. Otherwise, what happens if everything you develop in production server directly and release it? Nothing. There might be so many issues with that application, right? We don't go directly. Always stage. First development, testing, production, release. And before that, basically, guys, there are 5 stages, minimum stages, guys. SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. Any product you want to development, there will be 5 stages minimum. There will be additional also, but minimum. First, analysis. Analysis means what is audio calling? What services internally have to use? Which team is responsible for which task? That is what basically analysis, discussion. Different teams available, right? Application team, database team, developer, system admin. We'll discuss, we'll have meetings with them. What exactly that product audio call. Then based on the discussions, your architect will create exact roadmap, maybe blueprint, paperwork. Okay, here only discussions, analysis. Here exact design, roadmap. Who is responsible for which task? Because different teams will be there and different applications we use. Everybody has their own task. The task, like again, design will be happening here. Due dates, within how many days you have to implement it, maybe 3 months or 6 months or those kind of stuff. Then after, your development will start again, your development, then testing, production. Your developer will take care of this one and your tester will take care of this case, and release means we will implement the same application in production servers. Basically this is called as SDLC, guys. So compulsory every project has this SDLC. Development, testing. What is happening in real time? This is what SDLC only, guys. SDLC is a methodology. Order, step-by-step order. They won't go directly in production. First development, then after testing, then after production. Okay, this is what SDLC. There are like minimum 2 ways available for this SDLC, guys. Waterfall method and Agile methodology. The famous methodologies. So what is waterfall method? So very simple, guys. Both are SDLC methods only. Even DevOps also SDLC methodology only, guys. So let me explain what is the difference. So let's take waterfall method, guys. So what is waterfall method means? Example, I want to develop WhatsApp project. So WhatsApp has multiple functionalities: audio calling, video calling, chatting, maybe like payments, right? So I assume that this is old method, guys. Maybe around 20 years back. Nowadays, nobody is using this waterfall method. 25 years back, waterfall and example, I want to develop an application. So I have in mind something audio calling, video calling, chatting. Assume that 20 years back, nothing as actually WhatsApp not there, but assume that how waterfall method works, I'm telling you. Example, WhatsApp. WhatsApp generally like has audio calling, chatting, video calling. So assume that I have all in my mind. Okay. In that case, what in waterfall method, example 1 year target, maybe 1 year, it can be 2 years, 3 years, doesn't matter. Example, I'm taking 1 year, guys. Okay, now in that case, in 1 year, see, first requirement gathering. Maybe I'm taking 1.5 months because requirement is more. All the requirements, all the functionalities. Then design, see 1.5 more month, 2 months. Again, design, again development, 6 months. Thereafter, testing, production, testing and release. SDLC only, guys. SDLC method only, this one. But see, all together we are developing. Previous, or around 20 years back, this method only, guys. Whole application will release in one shot. And definitely there will be so many issues. Because, guys, while developing, maybe you're testing, but how it works? Like real-time testing, guys. Until unless it reaches to customer might be connecting from different mobiles, different laptop brands, different networks. Definitely you'll get different requirements. Like until unless you release into the product into, to the customer, you don't know what are exactly the issues, real-time issues. Very difficult. If something issues means, again developer it's very difficult to change the things, because everything is like dependency things, guys, internally. Example, some code you want to change, there will be so much code you have to change. It may take a huge time again to resolve the issues. Basically, waterfall method nobody is using, guys, nowadays. Compulsory Agile methodology only we are using. What is Agile methodology? This is also SDLC only, guys. But see, what is the difference? for SDLC method. Example, I have audio calling, video calling, chatting, payments, all the. We don't go all at one time. So example, we'll divide our whole maybe target into like small goals. Sprint we used to call it as an agile methodology. Okay, 1 month goal, 2 months goal, 3 months goal, 6 months goal, something like based on your project. Okay, we used to call it a sprint. Okay, so goal or sprint is nothing but example first audio, first charting. So first 1 month or maybe first goal, so 6 months goal or 3 months goal, I'll go with only chatting for SDLC with chatting. I'll release the product into the market. Okay, now then second month or second goal, second target is audio calling. But here, by the time I started developing the second goal, second target, maybe second functionality, already I released the first product, first version. Example, guys, daily you may get WhatsApp updates. What does that mean? Versions. So here, definitely you will get the feedback from customers about the first version. What are the problems they have, right? So they will fix those issues in the second version. And new functionality plus old issues fixed. The developer. Now third target. Here I'm taking 1 month target, guys. It can be 2 months target. It can be 3 months target. Yours based on your project. Okay. In that case, third target, third version. Maybe the March. I want to release third target, third release. So I will get first and second issues plus new functionality. Maybe guys, if you check your Play Store before upgrading your application, you will come to know that what exactly they upgraded, what exactly they integrated with the new version, any new functionality, or else maybe any fixes for the old issues. You can check the description part. Okay, it can be like again here also 1 year target, assume that. And here in a waterfall also 1 year target, in agile methodology also 1 year target. But see, in agile in waterfall, altogether you are developing in 1 year. Only like you'll get one release. There will be more issues in that because you don't know until unless you release to the customer what are the exact issues. But here every month or every like maybe within a year 10 targets, 10 versions you are releasing. Every version you are improving the versions application. So obviously the final product is quality product if you go with agile methodology. Now what is DevOps? Basically till now what we discussed about agile methodology, not DevOps, guys. Normal DevOps, normal project till now. So what is DevOps means? Again, DevOps is a development plus operations, guys. Okay, now what is the purpose of DevOps tools, guys? There are different tools. Basically, DevOps is not a single tool. DevOps is a culture. It's a set of tools, guys. So how exactly DevOps works in a real-time project? If you implement DevOps in your project, what happens? Because before 5 years, guys, there is no DevOps. 5-6 years back, hardly DevOps came into picture. Six years back only, guys. Before that, DevOps not there. Before that, also we have projects. Then what is the difference? Why we are using DevOps means? So very simple, guys. Let me give you one example. Example, guys. Previously, around 15 years back, maybe 10-15 years back. So how we used to pay the bills? Maybe internet bill, maybe water bill, current bill. How we used to pay? Compulsory. We should take half day leave. Maybe we are our parents, our grandparents, they should take leave if they are working, and they should go to power station or else community hall. They should spend. They should stand in queue line, and they should pay. But anybody doing nowadays? Same thing, paying only current bill, pay only. But anybody going to power station to pay the bill? Very rare cases. Nowadays, everybody, what they are doing in mobile itself, they have the application, different application to pay the bills. So target is same, paying the bill, but how you are paying? Previously manually, but now there are so many tools in single click. Just within 1 minute, I'm able to pay. No need to spend much time. No need to go there. No need to take the leave. Same concept, guys. So DevOps also works in the same way. There are different tools available in DevOps technology, DevOps culture. By implementing those tools in your project, guys, you can make it. Example, let's take you are taking 3 months for one project, one audio calling functionality. Assume that maybe here 1 month if it is small project, but if it is a critical project, minimum 2-3 months it will take for each product. Maybe 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. The same project, by implementing DevOps, you can make it with half of the days only, guys. 6 months project, you can make it 3 months. 3 months project, you can make it 1.5 months. 1 year project, you can make it 6 months. How it is possible? What exactly the difference? Let me explain. So as I told previously, example, guys, you want to develop audio calling functionality. For that purpose, compulsory you need development servers, testing servers, production servers. Basically, server is nothing but operating system. Where do you install operating system? You need a hardware. In development data center, testing data center, production data center, hardware is required. Let me show you the real-time hardware, guys. It's not like our laptops. See, this is how our real-time hardware, guys. In your data center, the hardware will be like this. Basically, this is your server operating like hardware. Here only we'll install the operating system, guys. See how big setup is it? 16 servers will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and bottom also 6. Sorry, 8. So total 16 will be there in a one enclosure, guys. See, wiring setup, network, power, storage, everything comes from outside only, not inside. Nothing will be there. Basic RAM, CPU, maybe 100 GB storage, 100 or 200 or 300 GB storage for each hardware. That's it. No keyboard, no monitor, no mouse, everything over the network only. Even employees also will connect to the servers over the network only. Not they won't go to like data center. Data center is very crucial project thing, guys, component in real time. See how difficult it is. Example, you need a development maybe 10 servers for your auto, maybe for this audio calling function. Assume that server means operating system. In real time, every application will install separate servers, guys. We don't install in single server. Example, audio calling need 10 servers, 10 applications, 10 separate servers will take. So that means, so again, your data center engineer should set up that minimum 1 week, 10 days it will take, guys, to set up this hardware itself. But see, nowadays AWS. What is AWS? It's one of the cloud provider, guys. What is AWS means? Basically, guys, previously around 10 years, 15 years back, there is no alternative. If I want to start my company, means compulsory I should build my own data center. I should purchase a house, big building. There I should maintain my hardware with the data center engineer. Very difficult, costly. It's not your your laptop, guys. The hardware is completely different, and that to time-taking process. See, for development servers, example, audio calling purpose, you want to launch your servers. Minimum 10 days, 15 days it will take just for hardware, guys. But nowadays, there are some third-party providers like cloud providers, AWS, Google Cloud, Azure Cloud, Oracle Cloud, IBM Cloud. What they are doing, they establish the data centers already across the world. They are giving rent, and that too very easily. So they created a website, okay, web application for their cloud. Example, AWS Cloud, Google Cloud, web application they created. Any customer, example, I want to start a company application, mobile application. I no need to have my own data center. Simple. I'll create account with Google. I'll create account with AWS. They are giving the hardware that to very less cost. So previous days to set up your hardware for your project, example, audio calling need 10 servers for development. Again, testing need 10 servers, production need 10 servers. Minimum 1 month it will take just for hardware, guys. It's not that much easy. But now, if you go with AWS or cloud, hardly within half an hour you can launch your servers, guys. All the servers. See, 50, where is 15 days? Where is half an hour? If you go with cloud provider, no data center required. Already they have the data center. Simply, I can use those data center. Hardly half an hour I can launch as many as 100 servers also. And not only that one, guys. Example, previously, okay, let's take you installed 15 operating system. Again, you have to install the applications in 15 servers. You have to set up based on your standards. There will be different applications I have to install. Previous, even now also. But previously, you have to do this manually by logging into each and every server. From example, your system admin, you will be sitting in office here in IBM office. You will connect to each and every server via some tools, and he has to set up. Minimum 1 week, 2 weeks it will take only to set up the servers. Because generally operating system has basic default settings. I have to install the application. I have to set up based on my requirement. For audio calling, what application you need, what setup you need. You have to set up that, right? Minimum 1-2 months, 1-2 weeks it will take again manually previously. But now, again, there is a tool called Ansible, DevOps tool. By using that, simple. You no need to log into each and every them. So you will launch one more fresh server. Here you will install Ansible. So system admin, DevOps admin will connect to this server now. Okay, to this Ansible server, and from here only you can manage other server which are running. You no need to log into them. Simple. Here only you will log in. From here to, okay, so in simple word, AWS is providing us a virtual server. Yes, you are right. Yes, Deepak. Okay, it's kind of AWS or maybe any other cloud providers. They're providing the virtual servers, logical servers. Okay, they are providing the hardware. In that hardware, we can install our operating systems. So, but very less cost. That too, very easily you can maintain. Is very like hardly within half an hour you can launch even 100 servers. That much easy. So overall, by using these DevOps tools, what you are achieving in your project means, guys, 6 months project, I can make it within 3 months. 3 months project, example, see, for server build, again, there is an order, right? Development. So what happened? Once your server is ready, your developer has to develop the product. Maybe write the code. Again, every day, once he written the program, there will be application team, database team. They also have their respective tasks related to your new application. They have to configure related the configurations, settings according to the new code. So dependency previously, guys, every team should be involved in development. But now by using DevOps, you will understand the project. You will try to get those commands, what commands they are doing. Maybe we don't do development, but after writing the code, what exactly happening? Maybe what are the things we are doing? Okay, example like application building, or else some other like installations. All these configuration will understand, and by using DevOps tools. Okay, so your DevOps tools manage those tasks. Previously, your teams used to do manually by connecting to the servers, but now your DevOps tools will manage those. So in that way, guys, overall DevOps project, if you implement DevOps tools in your project, It will reduce your project time. 6 months project, see in 3 months. Obviously, machine made is always fast when compared to manual made. Previously, we used to do manually. Your teams used to do manually, but now machines, everything automation. You no need to involve anywhere. Only developer will involve. After that, the respective task will be taken care of by DevOps. Implementations. Everywhere, not only in development, even testing phase, production phase, everywhere, whatever you are doing manually, DevOps engineer first understand the project and will implement automations. So DevOps is the automation, guys. It will reduce the manual work. 6 months project, I can make it 3 months. 3 months project, I can make it 1.5 months. Obviously, cost cutting. So reducing the time means you are reducing the efforts means previously 10-15 people required for each team, but now why layoffs happening from companies? It's because of automation, guys. It's because of DevOps. DevOps is one of the reason why they are example developers. Previously they used to take 10-15 people, application guy 10-15 people, database guy 10-15 people, because the work is there, manual work. But now automation, DevOps, one of the alternative. We don't do develop, we don't do testing, but still you can manage the things, automate, guys. Okay, so that is the reason, like everybody talking about DevOps, guys. Every project talking about DevOps. Okay, so yeah, so basically this is about DevOps, guys. Now I'm going to show you the prerequisite, guys. So what, maybe first I will go with timings part, then after I will show you the like again prerequisite. I need a volunteer who has already logged in with laptop, guys. Let's talk about timings, guys. Here, so guys, first 1 week, okay, Linux will be there for 9:30 p.m. only, same timing, guys. Whatever the time you join, right? First 1 week it will be Linux. Linux is the prerequisite, guys, for DevOps. Linux is the operating system, same way like we're using Windows, right? But it's Linux is command line, mostly OS only, but command line, guys. Different OS. And thereafter I have 2 timings, guys. Okay, so for DevOps I have 2 timings. You can join any one of the batch after the Linux class. Actually, our DevOps class is not at 9:30, guys. Only 2 batches I have. Okay, so either you can join in this batch after Linux or this batch. So these are the timings part, guys. Monday to Friday. Okay, Monday to Friday are the classes, and 3 months minimum, guys. 3 months it will take minimum, Monday to Friday, and 7:15 a.m. IST or 7 p.m. IST you can join. Apart from after the Linux class, guys. So Linux class is first 1 week 9:30 p.m. IST only. So thereafter these are the timings. These are about timings, guys. Now I want to show you the prerequisite for our class. Compulsory, guys. Everybody should have these prerequisites. So I need a volunteer, guys, who joined from laptop. Anybody joined from laptop, guys?
Sir, I'm on laptop.
Your good name?
Daniel. Daniel Livingston.
Okay, check. Yes, just. And one more thing, guys. Let me do one thing. So I have a WhatsApp group, guys. Everybody, can you please join in that group so that you will get course content, guys. Course content, class recording. Let me ping you that. Okay. So everybody, can you please join in that group so that after the class you will get. Let me ping you, guys. If you can, you please check your WhatsApp group, guys. Sorry, this one. What I can say. Go to meeting. Everybody, can you please check your go to meeting chat box? Let me just a minute. I'm pinging you. So everybody can please join there, guys, so that you'll get a course content, everything, a course content, class recording. So did you receive it?
Sir, not yet. We're waiting.
Yeah, what about now? Did you receive
got
it?
Yes. Yes, sir, we got it.
Everybody, can you please open your GoToMeeting and please join? Can you please join in that group, guys? Everybody. Or else, if you are unable to join in that WhatsApp group, means please ping me this number. This is my WhatsApp number. Or else you can join in the group. Both are fine, guys. Anything is fine. Whichever is comfortable to you, you can do that. Everybody, guys, can you please join in that WhatsApp group for class recording as well as course content? And if you have any questions, also you can ping me, guys. Still, I'm waiting. Can you please quickly do that so that I will show you the prerequisite, guys. I will show you the prerequisite, what exactly you need. Maybe ping your names, guys. Once you join there, this is Naveen, something like that, so that I will come to know that who pinged. Yeah, like this. Hi, Daniel.
Hi, sir.
Everybody, can you please ping me? Yeah. Quickly, guys, please make it fast. Hello, guys. I hope you are doing it. Still, I'm waiting for it, guys. Please make it fast. It's already 10:30. It's not like you're joining my course, guys. Still, you can make it first 2 days free only. After that only you can decide. But at least if you are in WhatsApp group, you will get all my updates, guys. I'm not sure you're joining or not. Still, I'm waiting for your input here. I don't see no one joining. Maybe, I don't know. If you face any problem, let me know. Any problem, guys? Quickly make it, guys. Okay, that's fine. No problem, guys. Let's continue. So, yeah, who said? Like someone said you joined from laptop. Who is that?
Sir, me, Daniel. Yeah, it's me.
Yes, Daniel. Yeah, please. Let me provide you presenter role. Can you please share your screen, Daniel? I will show
Yes.
you today like how to create AWS account, guys. The prerequisite. Okay, so everybody should have this account, guys, without fail. Yeah, please go ahead, Daniel. It's a free of account, free of cost only, guys. AWS account is completely free of cost. Okay, not completely. 750 hours free of cost. Yeah, I given a presenter role to you, Daniel. Please go ahead.
It's not going forward.
But I given a presenter role to you already. Maybe somewhere check that. Okay, try now. Yeah, good. Yeah, can you please type AWS Console Management Console? Do you have AWS account already? Any chance? Okay. If you don't have, let's go ahead and create.
I
So
do have.
here, second website. Okay, no problem. I'll show just how to create, guys, so that everybody should create. Maybe anybody doesn't have login from laptop, guys, so that it will be good. So others also will come to know that how to create account and all. Yeah, maybe as of now, go ahead. We'll see. Daniel, AWS
Yes,
Management Console.
Deepak or Nilesh, someone said they came on laptop.
Okay. Maybe anybody, guys? Anybody want to take the control?
Yeah, yeah. If you want, I can do.
You could do.
Yeah, this is Vikas.
Yes, but you said you already, you also have already account.
Yeah, I have account. Yeah.
But that's what I'm asking. Who doesn't have account?
Okay. Okay.
Anybody, guys? Anybody join from laptop? Quickly, guys. Hardly it will take 5 minutes. If you can launch, if you can share your screen, it would be helpful to you guys. Okay, that's fine. Maybe if you are not interested, that's fine, guys. Okay, go ahead. Maybe, Deepak, no problem. Yeah,
I'll
click
come
on,
to
yes, second one, AWS Management Console.
okay.
Click on AWS Management Console. Daniel. So guys, that's fine. Maybe if you're not interested, that's fine. Okay, but see here, guys, this is how you can create an account. It's free of cost, guys. Initially 750 hours you will get free of cost. Okay, everybody please create your own account before tomorrow class, guys. You should have this account. Yeah, create a free account, create a AWS account, and provide maybe no problem. Let's give, if you have any other email address, can you please provide?
Yeah, I'll do it in this one.
Yeah, go with anyway we don't create password, account name. You can give anything, your wish, whatever you need. Okay, continue. So go with personal account. So guys, go with personal one, not free paid one. And you have to provide all the details. And I'm not sure, guys, maybe do you face any problem to connect to my WhatsApp group? I don't know, because only 2 members joined out of 9 members. Just it's wonder, it's strange for me. At least please join, guys. You'll get updates. I don't know what's the problem if you like to join in my WhatsApp group. Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Please address, provide address. No need to give full address. Just say just your Hyderabad. That's it. That is enough, because it's not a again official account, right? Yeah, come down. Yeah, so continue. And guys, here it will ask you, don't type anything. Okay, please don't type anything there. Guys, here it will ask you credit or debit card information. Please blindly go ahead and pass your. It's very secure only, AWS, and you will be charged only 2 rupees. Okay, not more than that. If you are using India account, only 2 rupees. But if you are using outside account, you'll be charged like $1, something like that. But no problem. It's a completely very secure website. You can provide the details. You won't be charged anything initially. So AWS not completely free of cost, guys. Only 750 hours per month. That's the reason they are asking this. And one more thing, not completely free. There are like so many services they're providing. AWS. Okay, only some of them are free of cost for publicity purpose, for promotional purpose. They are providing 750 hours. That to some of the services only. Okay, now so remaining all services are paid. So that's the reason they are asking for credit or debit card information, guys. So make sure that you provide the credential, no problem. So after this credit card or debit card information, it will ask you mobile verification. To provide mobile OTP you will get, and then after there will be 3 options you will get: free account, paid version. Go with free account only. So that's it. Your account will be created. Basic account only we have to create. Then after you are ready to use your AWS data center. As I told, AWS already maintains the data center so many places: India, UK, US, Canada, Singapore. Everywhere they have the data centers. Okay, now so those data center we can use by using this AWS account. Everybody make sure that before tomorrow class you should create your AWS account, guys, without fail. Okay, na? Without fail. Everybody, don't miss it, guys. And one more thing, and putty also you required, guys. What is putty I will explain tomorrow, but as of now I think yeah, Daniel, it seems Daniel, are you there? I think he has a power cut. He pinged me privately. Okay, maybe anybody else who has the AWS account already? I want to show something. I think Vikas, you said you have already account, right? Can you please share your screen?
Yeah, if you can make me
Hello, Vikas.
present. Yeah, I'm able to
Yeah,
engage you.
let me make you as a presenter. Yes, I made you as a presenter. Please go ahead.
Yeah. So are
Can
you
you
able to
please
show
log into your AWS account? Yes.
Okay.
Log into your AWS account. So guys, everybody, you have to create your AWS account. It's free of cost only, guys. There only we will practice. We will install our DevOps tool. Practice is very, very important, guys, here. Okay, so DevOps is not, I don't say it's easy or it's not easy. All you need is practice. Linux, so for AWS, basically AWS is not a, like there is no prerequisite for it. Only Linux and AWS are the prerequisite for DevOps. Okay, don't worry about that. I will show you everything. And again, one more thing is, guys, my class is completely task based class, guys, not simply like listening class and leaving. It won't work out in DevOps. Okay, again, you should do the real time task. That is very important. Yeah, go ahead, Vikas. Please log into your account.
Okay, sure.
Yes. So that's what I'm going to show you. And maybe I will show this login. Okay. So tomorrow I will show the Linux setup and all. But as of now, can you please install Putty also apart from your AWS account?
Yeah, I have already
Open your new browser. But I want to show that because everybody like who doesn't have, right?
Sure.
They should. Yeah. Can you try this? Putty, guys, everybody in your laptop apart from AWS account, you should install this also, guys. Yeah, first one, download Putty. First one, 64-bit.
Yeah.
Download and install.
Yeah.
So guys, everybody, you should download that. Okay, you should download and install this Putty application. So why Putty is required, I will tell you. So very simple, guys. If you take like because our servers we are going to install in a data center, AWS data center. So server is nothing but operating system again, guys. Your laptop is just a mediator. Okay, your servers won't be there in your laptop. Your laptop is just a mediator. As an employee, you will have the laptop, and your server will be there in AWS data center or your own data center. So there is a tool required to connect to that operating system. Again, to manage, to install the application, to configure the application, you need a tool. You have to connect to that server, right? How you will connect? By using this putty only, guys. So everybody, you have to download and install this putty application apart from your AWS account. Okay, can you please log into your AWS account then? So guys, everybody, yeah, so this is your AWS account. So before tomorrow class, so everybody guys, everybody you have to create your AWS account without fail, and you have to join from laptop only. So tomorrow also same 9:30 p.m. IST. Okay, na. Please join from laptop only, and that too. Don't join from mobile until unless you have some problem. You're outside and you have some maybe power issues and all. Please, everybody will think, okay, no problem. Others will join from laptop, so you will join from mobile. Please don't do that, guys. If you're really interested, if you're really dedicated, please join from laptop with your setup. Okay, now so please follow, because there are so many things to learn. So daily, don't postpone the things. If you think, okay, no problem, tomorrow I will do, that's fine. Tomorrow you will get one more task, one more thing to do. You can't, guys. Please, daily updates, whatever we are discussing in class, immediately do it before that. So tomorrow class, then only you will have more knowledge, and you are like maybe if you join this class, you'll be having some knowledge. You'll be getting some knowledge, guys. Okay, na? So without fail, so please join tomorrow also same time, and tomorrow also you can take it as a demo. Then after you can take a decision, guys. So then you can pay and you can continue. Okay, na? So and make sure that before tomorrow class, please create your AWS account and download and install putty session. And if you have any problem, you can ping me on my number, guys, which I pinged you in GoToMeeting already. Okay, so or else you can join in my WhatsApp group. You can talk to Durga Soft, guys. Fees and all, you can talk to them. Only if you have any technical problems, technical doubts, you can ask me now. So apart from that, you can talk to maybe fees related things and all. Durga Soft guys will take care. They will come to you. Okay, na? So I will. You will get a follow-up email, guys. Don't worry about that. So I hope you are good.
Yes, sir.
Today's
Hello, sir. Actually, I'm having a query.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, so after completion of the course, suppose I start giving the interviews, and in that phase, I want some help for to crack that interview. So, is it possible to contact you?
Yes, but it's not part of training. So maybe again it's additional. So because whatever you are maybe subscribing, it's only for training purpose. Okay, na? So it's again, so it's out of maybe we can talk that personally. Okay, na?
Okay.
Did you understand?
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
So as part of training, what I give, I will give like 3 months course, and I will give the resumes, I will give the documentations, interview questions. So, but still, apart from after the class, if you need any help, again, so I can, but it's completely out of the class. Okay, not part of class. You have to talk to me about that. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, I get it.
Oh, yeah. If you have any other queries, please talk to me personally. Ping me personally. Okay. Yeah. Okay then, guys. Maybe so. Thank you very much for your time here. So make sure that before tomorrow class, so everybody please create your AWS account and join from laptop only, guys. Don't join from mobile. Okay, so without fail, until unless you have some problem. Yeah.
Yeah. Hello,
Okay,
sir.
then guys,
Ahmad, sir.
we'll see again tomorrow, same time, same link. Yes.
Yeah. Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, this is Vikas, sir. So, I have followed the videos. So as I purchased the videos, so I have some issues with this. I have almost completed the course, but there are some issues, especially in Jenkins, especially, and in Kubernetes also. When it comes to Jenkins, I didn't get I got only videos only. I didn't get any documentation, especially installing the. There are some Nexus and one other quality check tool is there, right, sir? So during
So
the
now,
installation of those two, I didn't get the result. So I just
yeah, ping me
googled.
maybe.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
no problem. I have actually, guys, I have a Google Drive where I all the documentation, maybe for installations, everything will be there. Okay, don't worry. If you enroll for my course, I'll provide all those stuff.
Yeah, definitely. Actually,
Okay.
so yeah, I just come here. I can't spend 2 or 3 months. I'm related to data science, but this deployment purpose I joined here. But so that's why I purchased the pre-recorded. So if you can provide those, I can complete the task.
Yeah, definitely ping me. Okay. So
Yeah.
maybe like ping me privately. I hope you join in WhatsApp group. Okay, ping
Yeah.
me privately. We'll talk. Maybe not now. To like maybe we'll talk tomorrow then.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay then, guys. So thank you. Thank you very much. We'll meet again tomorrow, same time. Yeah. But make sure that, guys, please create your AWS account without fail. So if you join in my WhatsApp group, if you have any doubts also, you can ask me. I don't know, but what's the problem? You're only few people join in the WhatsApp group. Okay, that's fine, guys. No problem. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, guys. Bye. Meet tomorrow, same time, same link, guys. Yeah. Bye.